Hi, welcome to my channel, Pizazz with Taz, and I'm a home decor entrepreneur. And if you're looking for home decor on a budget, then this is for you. Today we're taking trash to treasure, a thrift store flip. Upcycling thrifted items is the best idea for glam for less. We start by cleaning the table, which I did off camera using a mild lemon dishwashing detergent, making sure the table is thoroughly clean. Next, I lightly sanded the table. I used 220 grit for the light sanding. Now I wipe off any dust. I used rubbing alcohol to make sure to remove all dust. This process is to make sure that the paint that I'm about to use has something to adhere to. Now I painted the table using Bare Paint and Primer in 1. I use a small roller for the table. Now don't miss those crevices. For that, I use a small artist brush, making sure it looks nice, neat, and professional. No drips. My first coat is a light coat. Now it may take 2 or 3 coats, depends on the effect you're looking for. I'm not going for a distressed look, so I went with 3 coats. Once the table dried, I prep the table. I cover the leg and I tape them approximately 4 inches from the bottom. Now, you should use measuring tape so you don't have to do the matrix like I did. Then I spray paint the feet with metallic gold to make them pop. After that, I epoxied the top of my table. I will show you the process for epoxy in a future video. Now the epoxy will protect the top of the table, so make sure you spray paint the bottom with a satiny clear protective spray. For a list of products that I used in this video, check out the description box. And there you have it.